In this video, I want to show you how to load the ink from the bottles into your HP Smart Tank 5000. It could be the first time you're doing this or you're simply refilling the printer. Let me show you how it is done. So step number one is to turn on your printer. Then let's remove the protective plastic. So here we have our ink bottles. This printer takes the HP 32XL black ink and the color ones are the HP 31. You're going to open the front panel of the printer by lowering just like this. And this is where all the ink will go. Let's start with the black ink. So first we're going to flip this cover up like this. Take the ink bottle and don't worry, the ink will not spill everywhere. So let's unscrew the top, and now we have to place this ink bottle upside down so it goes right over here. Let me demonstrate. As you see, it does not spill everywhere. Once you are over the hole, you simply have to press it in until it clicks. And at this point, don't do anything. The ink should fill by itself. As you see, the ink level is currently going up. Do not press the bottle, do not shake it. Just wait until the ink tank of the printer is fully refilled, or until you don't hear any bubbles. As you see over here, the ink is filled till the top. Go ahead, remove the ink bottle. And again, you see it does not spill on the table, even if you're not quick. And place the cap back simply by screwing it, okay, and make sure it's tight. Now, as you see, there is an amount of ink that is left in the bottle. You'll be able to reuse this ink. Don't throw this. Try storing this ink bottle in a place without sunlight. Let's continue. So we're going to close the cap of the black ink and we'll go to the next one, which is cyan. It's important to not mix them up. So over here, cyan, I'll take the ink bottle, which is smaller. I'll unscrew the top and I'll simply place it facing down over here and push until it clicks. And you see the ink starts flowing right away. If the ink stops flowing in the middle over here, you can go ahead and start moving the ink bottle slightly. It should restart after you do this. These smaller ink bottles, as you see, don't have any ink left in them, especially if the ink tanks were completely empty, so you can recycle them. Next, let's do the magenta. And finally, we have the yellow ink. At the end, close and put back the front panel. The printer will automatically detect that some ink has been loaded inside of the tanks. Now, if it's the first time you're setting up this printer, you will have to install the print heads as well before starting printing. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.